was calling out for, a sign in the universe to tell me what I could do, because I was just so burnt out. I was just so overwhelmed with what I was doing in my life. And I knew that I just couldn't do that anymore, the effects that it was having on my body. And so I was doing some research, and I came across, someone that I was really, their message meant a lot to me. And I found out that they had studied coaching, and I was really keen to find out where they had done their study and who that was with, and I came across Mind Body Food. At the point of finding your course, I didn't really know what I was looking for. I was calling out for help with my stress, with my negative mindset, with any sort of strategies that could help me out of the pit that I was in. And when I found the course and I was looking at your pages and I was doing lots and lots of reading, it was just like this light bulb that came on, and I thought, this is what I need. I was like, wow, this is what I need. This is what I can use to help myself, and how I can help my friends who are going through the same issues as me. And I'm generally so empathetic in caring for other people, sometimes too much. But I really want to help other people as well, and I just saw it as a way that I could do that. The course has helped me in so many ways. It's so hard to explain all of the things, but some of them made me realise about how powerful our thinking is, and that I was in control of that. I had been led by my negative thoughts for years and years, and it had brought me to a point of ill health and negativity in my job. And to feel, it made me feel so empowered that I could actually change my thoughts for the better and actually improve my life, to actually develop this self-awareness. I thought I was quite a self-aware person anyway, because I'm a very deep thinker and very reflective in everything that goes on in my life. But wow, it just opened my mind up to so many things that I just didn't know existed, so it's just, I enjoyed everything. It was so interesting. It just enlightened me in lots of different ways. I actually really love the fact that the course has a coaching aspect, a practical aspect about it, because as a teacher, I wouldn't have been able to train and become a teacher without practical teaching. So it's really valuable. I threw myself into it right from the start. I followed the rules. Okay, it's week 5. I need to start my coaching. So I did. And I realised I had a natural ability to talk to people. And I always felt that I had, but it just felt natural. Even though I'm an introvert, I do like to have that connection with people and talk to them, and I'm always very interested to know about what's happening in their lives, and the empathy that I have to be able to help other people. It has given me that opportunity in those coaching sessions. So it was really great to practice in those sessions with people and to learn about them and find out how I could help them. So I would so recommend this course. There's just multitudes of things that has benefited in my life, the journey that I've been on to learn about myself and the ways that I can improve my life. I can't recommend it highly enough. It's awesome.